Welcome to Free Coding Academy's How Do Computers Work series, episode 6. So this video covers how computer storage works. First up, what is computer storage? So computer storage refers to the hardware that holds data permanently even when the power is turned on. So where your operating system, applications, documents, and media are saved is in the computer storage. So while RAM is volatile and temporary, storage is non-volatile and permanent. However, storage is slower than memory, but it can hold much more data. So what are some types of storage devices? You have a hard disk drive, HDD, a solid-state drive, SSD, external storage in the form of USB drives, external HDDs, SSDs, SD cards, etc. And you can have optical drives, which refers to CDs and DVDs, which are rarely used in modern times. So how does storage work? Well, when you save a file, the operating system writes data to the storage device. And then data is stored as binary, so zeros and ones. Then the file system organizes data into files and folders. Then the OS tracks metadata. So metadata refers to information about the files, such as file size, location, and permissions. What is the difference between storage and memory, which was covered in the last video? So memory is volatile, which means data is stored permanently, and it's faster than storage, but it can store less amounts of data and is used for data being used actively. Storage is non-volatile, which means data is stored permanently, but it's slower than memory, but it can also store larger amounts of data, and it is used for data that needs to be retained for long-term uses. So how does storage relate to the operating system? While the computer is booting up, the motherboard firmware loads the bootloader from storage. The bootloader then loads the operating system into memory. Storage holds the OS files, drivers, and user data. The OS manages read and write operations and access control. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and watch episode 7 on how input-output devices work next.